So magkano ba yung dapat mong expect na bayaran for Social Security and taxes once you are registered and here in Spain with the Digital Nomad Visa? Hola! It's your VA Ate in Spain, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about yung pinakamadaming comments out there, which is magkano daw ba yung babayaran for taxes and Social Security pag under ka na ng Digital Nomad Visa. So first things first, ano ba yung dalawa na binabayaran na to? Kasi magkaiba yan yung Social Security tsaka yung taxes. So una, yung Social Security, yan muna yung pag-uusapan natin, which is basically ito yung SSS contributions nyo. Yun yung equivalent niya in the Philippines. So basically, this kinda helps you to prepare for retirement or for disability man yan. So especially if you are aiming for citizenship, this is especially helpful for you. But of course, kahit hindi mo aim mag-citizenship, kailangan mo pa rin na mag-register. So una, kailangan mo mag-register as a self-employed individual or as an autonomo para ito usually ginagawa siya around 2 months or 3 months after mo ma-approve. So, ayan, kailangan i-register ka ng iyong gestor, which is your tax accountant here in Spain, or pwede rin na ikaw mismo yung mag-register sa sarili mo. Pero I highly recommend to, at least for the first year, to hire a gestor because you don't know yung taxes here in Spain. So pag nagkamali ka, baka mamaya mas mahirapan ka pa in the end na magbayad ng penalties and all that. So definitely highly recommend na mag-hire ka ng gestor mo. So they usually cost around 50 or minsan may 40 daw, and then 40 to like 60 euros. So depending yon sa plan na kukunin mo sa kanila. But definitely you can check out Entre Tramites or mytaxes.es. So definitely those two are very helpful, and may free consultation sila, and they give you kind of breakdown prediction nung magkano yung babayaran mo. Of course, I will also link down below yung autonomo calculator.